What if you could open any website and tell an AI to just rebuild it? With MCP Connector and Opera Neon, that's exactly what we're doing right now. And it goes beyond just reading browser context. The MCP Connector can also enable your AI to switch tabs, navigate pages, click and fill forms directly inside Opera Neon. We start inside Neon, open the MCP Connector, and this time we select a custom MCP client. We copy the MCP URL, go into my Lovable account, open the connectors and paste the URL into a new custom connector. Hit add and authorize the access request with your Opera account, and we are good to go. You can check if it's connected properly right here in the MCP connector and on the Lovable dashboard. Now we open the website we want to prototype in Opera Neon, in this case a mail inbox page. Then from any browser we open my Lovable account and prompt it to build a prototype of the page we have open in Neon. This is what it looks like when your browser and your AI finally speak the same language. Join our Discord and let us know what you're building first.